Ang cute nilang dalawa. Twinkle,
Twinkle, little star, how I want you are. Hoppa, baba, where to hide? White diamond in a sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want you as you are.
Yuki, Yuki,
Mommy,
eating sugar,
no, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ah, ha, ha. Yeah,
The wheels on the bus.
Round and round, round and round.
The wheels on the bus go round and
Then,
then.
shoes. Oh, this books, bus, like bike, car, bird, moon, oval, table, fountain, house, fountain,
House.
house. Stay to be. Bye bye. I was sick, everywhere. I was I why. I was sick.
Next.
Next,
Ito.
I was square, I was see everywhere. I was I why. I was sick, I was square, I was over, I was see everywhere. I was sick, I was sick, I was see everywhere.
Next.
I was sick, I was sick.
Ito mga rectangle.
I was rectangle. I was see everywhere.
Next.
Circle,
Ito.
Villa, triangle, star, diamond. A B C D E F G H I N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good.
C Y W T
Doon tayo. Number.
Number.
Count. Taas.
Taas. Yeah, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10.
Very good. Next.
12, 14, 13,
11.
11, 12,
Ulit. Ulit dito. 11.
11.
12.
Baby,
Ulit. Count muna, count.
Little baby.
Baby.
Nose.
Nose.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Ears. Mouth. Dede. Boots.
Ano puds?
Ito. Apple. Yum. Apple.
Apple.
Flower.
Flower. Sense of smell.
Oh.
Sense of taste.
Apple. D. Flower. B. Baby. A. Ears. I. Nose. S. Guava.
What's that?
Guava.
Huh?
Guava. 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 Guava.
Ito, what letter? What letter is this?
M. M. Y. D. O. D. Y.
Very good. Ito. Ito.
D. R. A. W. N. G. S. H. A. P. P. S.
Very good.
Very sad.
Growing shapes. Very good.
P. C. O. P.
What's that?
Pen. Men.
Turuan mo sawi.
V.
Turuan mo sawi.
Pen.
Star. Come on.
Cow. Pen. Yeah. Yeah.
The world so high. Like a... Mahina to, di? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Oh, ano nangyari? Mahina to. Wala pa lakot. Lambot pa. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Ano nga natutunan yan? Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies.
No, ba.
Open your mouth.
Johnny, Johnny.